What's going on, guys? Roscoe here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing some Travis Scott Astroworld merch. Now, this caught me by surprise because he already dropped merch when his album came out. But again, after he dropped this, he did announce that he is going on a second leg of his tour. So there was more tour dates available too on his website, which is awesome, man. I missed him the first time around. I'm gonna try catching him in the spring because he is coming around where I live, so definitely gonna try and go see him. But man, talk about having a great 2018. Dude's dropping more merch, making a ton of money, going on more tours, had one of the best albums of the year. Dude, Travis, just keep killing it. And his shoes are unbelievable. His Air Forces are fire. His Travis Scott 4s are dope. And then he also has what? He's coming out with Jordan 1s next year, a Jordan 1 low possibly. So 2019, he's gonna kill it as well. So I got some pieces. You only can get, I want to mention quickly, you only can get his stuff at his official website. A lot of you guys, when I picked this up, and you guys were like sending me a ton of comments and DMs on Instagram, you only can get his stuff at his official website, which is shop.travisscott.com. A lot of you guys were sending me like the same sites over and over again, and like all of them, like 100% were replicas. You only can get it at shop.travisscott.com. But again, we'll see it. It took about 3 or 4 weeks to get here. I wish I could say the same about my Kids See Ghost merch, but we're still waiting on that. So let's unbox it and show you what I got. I got a few pieces. I got a hoodie, a long sleeve, and a tee. So let's check this out. So now that the channel is growing crazy, I'm gonna have to invest in like some sort of dope ass knife for the channel. Right now, the bottle opener is gonna suffice. So let's take this look. Comes in this red bag. Alright, so this is the hoodie that I got. I hope I got the sizing right. That's the long sleeve, and this is the t-shirt. Let's take a look at the long sleeve. This is sick. This already looks dope. So this is the long sleeve I got. This one caught my attention right away. Yeah, this is dope. So this is it right here. So this is like the I don't know, it's like a skull with an astronaut, man. It's like a skull dude and his eyes are on fire. Dope piece, absolutely sick. This is dope. And then on the back it just says, you know, Astroworld Festival, Houston, Texas, 2018. So I got this in an XL. I'll throw everything on at the end so you can see the sizing. But actually, this is not too bad as far as like the quality. It's, you know, what is this? Wish You Were Here, Cactus Jack. I wonder what the brand is. This is probably independent. My hoodie's independent. I wonder what this one is. It doesn't have a tag, but it feels better quality. We'll see. You know, again, you have to take this with a grain of salt. It is merch, so like this was like $70, which is still kind of expensive. But you know, you know, when you're spending over $100 for a t-shirt, the quality's a lot better. But then when you spend $70, you expect the same thing as well. But you know, you have to flip this inside out and wash it so you don't get the graphic, you know, faded. But I'm sure you wash this once, it'll shrink, and there goes the shirt. But I got this. This is dope. So I like this piece. And then the hoodie and the t-shirt is the same. So let's take a look at the hoodie. The t-shirt is a surprise. We'll tell you in a second. But here's the hoodie I got. This one's just brown. Actually, I love the color on it because I saw that he's dropping those Jordan Air Force 1s, that brown. So if they do drop, this hoodie would go dope with it. But yeah, this one doesn't feel as good as quality-wise, but it just says Astroworld Festival on the front, on the chest, and then on the back is where you're gonna see it's just, you know, a skull dude on a roller coaster ride, which is kind of wild. So then it says Astroworld on the back, which is kind of like all folded and crusted, which kind of sucks. It is what it is, man. This is all screen printed, and then they get the sun on the back of the arm. So it's okay. You know, you just buy it to support them. and you know, it is what it is. I'm glad this is embroidered though. I'm glad this is embroidered at least. Like this, like on my Astroworld, this is all embroidered, which I absolutely love this hoodie. So it is what it is. This is nice. I'm glad to have it. Like I said, I don't have a color like this, like a nice brown one, so it's dope to have. And then I got a matching t-shirt, but this t-shirt is for you guys. So that is the hoodie, and then this is the t-shirt for it. So I got this, and then it has the guy on the back writing. So like I said, this is a t-shirt for you guys. I will be giving this away in an upcoming video. So guys, subscribe to the channel and you know, follow me on Instagram and stay ahead of the game, because I'll be giving this away in an upcoming Sneaker News Sunday vid. But yeah, so dope piece. And this is Houston, Texas. And that's it. So guys, I'm gonna throw this all on, give you guys a better look at the pieces. Guys, let me know what you think. Is this a cop or a drop for this merch? You know, for me, I don't know, man. Like, again, it's merch, so you gotta take it with a grain of salt, because you know, it's not the best quality at all, but you are buying it to support the artist. And I got a free, you know, you get a free album with it, even though it's digital. But again, you gotta be careful too, because as soon as I wash this stuff, especially the long sleeve, goodbye. So guys, that's my video for today. Just a quick unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Hayes told me come back with a better intro.